I'm Coco the cat.
Meow.
Let's learn some fun words today. Prepositions. Come on, sing with me.
Hello, kids! Today we meet a funny little cat named Coco. Coco is brown, and he has a cute heart shape on his forehead. Aw, so cute! Coco wants to learn prepositions. Let's help him together. Coco is in the box. Look, there is a box. Coco jumps, and now Coco is in the box. Can you say it with me? In the box. Coco is on the table. Oh, now Coco climbs up. He is so excited. Now Coco is on the table. Say it together. On the table. Coco is under the chair. Wait, where did Coco go? He disappeared. Ah, look carefully. Coco is under the chair. Say it loud. Under the chair. Coco is behind the curtain. Coco is playing hide and seek. He is trying to be sneaky. Look behind you. Coco is behind the curtain. Repeat after me. Behind the curtain. Coco is next to the toy. Now Coco sits nicely. He sees his little toy mouse. Coco is next to the toy. Say it. Next to the toy. Let's answer these questions. Listen and answer it. Where is Coco? A. In the box. B. In the sky. C. In the water. Where is Coco now? A. On the table. B. Under the bed. C. Inside a shoe. Where is Coco hiding? A. Under the chair. B. On the tree. C. Behind a car. Where is Coco now? A. Behind the curtain. B. On the roof. C. In the bathtub. Where is Coco and his toy? A. Next to the toy. B. Under the sea. Or on a cloud.
Coco the cat, where are you? Meow, meow, meow. Coco the cat, where are you? Meow, meow, meow. Are you in or are you on? Are you under? Are you gone? Coco the cat, where are you? Meow, meow. Coco is on the table, yes he is. Clap, clap. Coco is on the table, yes he is. Clap, clap. Let's all point and say it loud. Coco looks so very proud. Coco is on the table, yes he is. Clap, clap. Coco is under the chair, where'd he go? Coco is under the chair, where'd he go? Let's all look and laugh a bit. He is hiding, yes he's quick. Coco is under the chair, where'd he go. Coco is behind the curtain now. Coco is behind the curtain now. Let's all call and shout his name. Coco loves this funny game. Coco is behind the curtain now. Coco is next to his little toy. Coco is next to his little toy. Give a smile, clap your hands. We all learn and understand. Coco is next to his little toy.
Great job, little learners. You helped Coco learn today. You said in, on, under, behind, and next to. Wow, you are so smart. Coco is very happy. His tail makes a heart shape just for you. See you in the next adventure with Coco the cat. Meow, bye-bye.